علي يا ابوي. طاحت.
Listening to. We heard that there was celebrations when we heard about the no-fly, the ceasefire was ordered. Now you've been talking to people in Benghazi. What are you hearing from them at the moment?
As you said, tens of thousands of people celebrated on the streets of Benghazi and indeed in other places throughout Libya. Absolutely happy that finally the world was coming to help them. However, at the moment, they are.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love aviation safety and air crash investigation.